Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another spelling and reading lesson? Let's start. Let's spell the word dress. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word dress in a sentence. My mother bought me a new dress. Again, my mother bought me a new dress. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word drink. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word drink in a sentence. I drink milk every morning. Again, I drink milk every morning. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word slip. Slip. S-L-E-E-P. Slip. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word slip in a sentence. I slip after doing my homework. Again, I slip after doing my homework. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word right. Right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word right in a sentence. I can write my name. Again, I can write my name. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word happy. 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 Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word happy in a sentence. Playing piano makes me feel happy. Again, playing piano makes me feel happy. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word angry. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word angry in a sentence. I feel angry when someone yells at me. Again, I feel angry when someone yells at me. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word smile. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word smile in a sentence. Playing with my pet dog makes me smile. Again, playing with my pet dog makes me smile. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's read the words and the sentences together. Dress. My mother bought me a new dress. Drink. I drink milk every morning. Sleep. I sleep after doing my homework. Write. I can write my name. Happy. Playing piano makes me feel happy. Angry. I feel angry when someone yells at me. Smile. Playing with my pet dog makes me smile. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.